It's sunny. It's sunny in Vancouver.
The weather in Surrey might be cloudy and rainy with a touch of sunshine, but the real estate scene is lighting up with exciting opportunities. One standout is Park Maven, a vibrant new condo and townhouse community by JM Properties, located in the bustling Willowbrook neighborhood at 19310 Fraser Highway. This 15-acre master plan development offers 55 move-in ready homes, with prices ranging from $899,900 to $1,030,900. Whether you're looking for a cozy condo or a spacious townhouse, there's a range of options to suit your needs, with homes spanning 539 to 1,459 square feet and featuring 1 to 3 bedrooms. But Park and Maven is more than just a collection of homes. It's a thoughtfully designed community where modern living meets convenience. Residents enjoy access to an impressive 400 square foot clubhouse with amenities like a rooftop BBQ area, a fitness center, a co working space, a movie theater, and a party room for hosting unforgettable gatherings. Outdoor enthusiasts and families will love the green spaces, serene ponds, and playgrounds, while busy parents can appreciate the on site daycare facilities with electric vehicle charging stations and proximity to the upcoming SkyTrain line. Park and Maven is built for today's and tomorrow's lifestyle. Its location couldn't be better. Situated steps from Willowbrook Shopping Center, you're surrounded by shopping, dining, local cafes, and breweries. For commuters, the future SkyTrain extension offers easy access to Vancouver, with downtown Langley just 4 minutes away and the US border a quick 20-minute drive. Looking for a home in a community like Park and Maven? The Sunny in Ven real estate team is here to help you make it yours. Contact us today.
Welcome to Sunny in Van, where the sun always shines. Join us on this journey to find your dream home in Vancouver, with Sunny as your home.